Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into create a task. And by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit that like button and let's get started. Bitrix24 offers a simple and efficient way to manage tasks within your team. To create a task, go to the task and project section for the main menu. Okay. Click on the create task button. Fill in the task title like enter name, then assign who is your assigned person, then observer who is observer person, then select now, then deadline in which date your deadline your task is like 30 December, then like button fill assign a responsible person, then assign set means deadline and by collaboration or observers. And if you also set a priorities and checklist, okay, attach files and link related projects or tasks and everything, and time tracking you also started now. Then this is project task. Once everything is get, click save. Okay, click save and start task to begin tracking progress. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below and I will see you in the next one.